Mathematics 5, quarter number 1, week number 6. Visualization of multiplication of fraction. So objective, in this module or video presentation, you will learn on how to visualize multiplication of fraction. So let's analyze this one. Direction, find the product mentally or inside the box. So number 1, 2 multiplied by 1/3. Number 2, 1/4 multiplied by 3. Number 3, 2/3 multiplied by 1/3. And number 4, 1/6 multiplied by 1/2. You have 30 seconds to analyze and write your answer. Okay, time is up. So number 1, 2 multiplied by 2/3. The correct answer is 2/3. Number 2, 1/4 multiplied by 3. The answer is 3/4. Then 2/3 multiplied by 1/3, the answer is 2/9. And number 4, 1/6 multiplied by 1/2, the answer is 1/12. So as you notice or analyze this problem or answers, so the rule is you need to multiply the numerator to the numerator. So 2 times 1 is 2, and then 3 times 3 is 9. So numerator multiplied by numerator, denominator multiplied by denominator. So in both fraction. How about in whole number and a fraction? So make sure that the whole number is, you change this one into a fraction. So to change this one into fraction, so uh, insert 1 in the denominator. So 2 over 1 is a fraction of 2. So 2 times 1 is 2 and 1 times 3 is 3. So that's all. And so to find the product, so models, pictures, pattern, and illustration are great helps to understand and gain deeper understanding about multiplication of fraction. Let us do it and learn how to multiply fraction using models. So that's example number 1. So 1/2 multiply it by 2/3. So let's illustrate. So step 1, write the given. So the given are 1/2 multiplied by 2/3. Then step 2, draw the first factor. So the first factor would be 1/2. So this would be your illustration. And then step 3, draw the second factor. So the second factor is 2/3. So this would be the illustration. And then step 4, combine the two illustration. So the first illustration is 1/2 and the second illustration is 2/3. So combine the two illustration. So we have a new illustration. Okay, so step 5, count the double shaded small rectangle as a numerator, then count all the small rectangle as a denominator. So the number of the numerator is 2. Why? Because we have two shaded region. 1, 2, double shaded region, and then the denominator is 6, so that it becomes 2, 6, or 1/3. Because we have 2, 6 has a common factor of 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Okay, so to further analyze this one, so let's have some example on how to visualize multiplication of fraction. Okay, number 1, 3/4 of 1/3. So we need to get the 3/4 of 1/3. So first step, write the given. Draw the first factor. So let's draw 3/4. So we have 4 parts. Because we have 4 parts, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And then how many shaded region? We have 1, 2, and 3. 3/4. We have 1, 2, 3. So this will be the illustration of 3/4. And then draw the second factor. The second factor would be 1/3. Then we have 1, 2, 3. Then the shaded region is 1. So as you notice, from first factor to second factor, the first factor is in horizontal form, the second factor is in vertical form because we have they use it to have a intersection. Okay, so let's proceed to step number 4. Combine the two illustration. We have 3/4 and 1/3. So combine the two illustration. We have a new illustration of this one. Okay, so count the double shaded small square as a numerator, then count all small square as a denominator. So we have 1, 2, 3. This would be the double shaded region. So we have 3, 12 because we have 12 all small square. So 3, 12, as you notice, they have the common factor of 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1, and then 12 divided by 3 is 4. So the final answer is 1/4. Example number 2. 1/3 of 3/5. So this will be 1/3 of 3/5. Okay, so combine. So this would be the new illustration. We have how many double shaded region? We have 1, 2, 3. We have 3. And then we have 15 small rectangles. So 3/5 has a common factor. So we can always turn this one as 1/5. This would be the final answer. Okay. Next, example number 3. So 2 sevens multiplied by 3 15ths. Oh, okay. So this would be 3/5 rather. So combine. So this will be a 6/35. So because we have how many double shaded region? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We have 6. And then all in all, small rectangles are 35. 7. 7 times 5 is 35. 2 times 3 is 6. So, so that's all for today. So class, I hope you learned something from me and try to practice using coloring materials or any strips of paper in multiplying a visualizing multiplication of fraction.